In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loan for QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Setting up a loan in QuickBooks is a straightforward process, but getting it right is crucial to ensuring your financial records reflect true and accurate information. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of personal finances, following these steps will help you maintain an organized and efficient accounting system. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the QuickBooks website. Once you click that, you'll need to select the QuickBooks Online option. It's important to make sure that you're logging into the correct version so that you have access to all the features and tools available for online management. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you will input your registered email and password. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to sign up for an account first. After typing in your information, simply click Continue and you'll be logged into your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the Transactions tab. You can find this tab on the left menu panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. The Transactions tab is where you'll manage all your financial activities, so it's a central hub for keeping your records in order. Within the Transactions tab, you'll be looking for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. Select this option. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a listing of all the accounts you've set up in QuickBooks for your finances, so it's where we'll set up the account for your loan. With the Chart of Accounts open, look for the New button, probably located towards the top right of the section. Clicking on New allows you to create a new account in your Chart of Accounts. You'll now see a form where you can input details about the loan. In the account name field, type the name of your loan. Be as descriptive as possible here, as this is how the loan will appear in your records. Next, you'll set the account type. For a loan, we'll choose long-term liabilities from the drop-down menu. This categorizes the loan correctly in your financial statements. Then from the detail type drop-down menu, select other long-term liabilities. This choice ensures that the loan is correctly detailed within its type for accurate tracking and reporting. Finally, after reviewing that you've entered all the information correctly, click Save. Saving these details will create the loan in your QuickBooks, and it will now be part of your financial tracking. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a loan in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your financial information up to date and accurately categorized ensures a seamless bookkeeping experience and more meaningful insights into your financial health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips and guidance.